Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to add versatility and convenience to your cooking space, the OVENTE electric countertop double burner. If you're living in a smaller apartment, a dorm room, or perhaps just need an extra cooking surface for those busy holiday seasons, then a portable double burner like this OVENTE model could be exactly what you're looking for. We've been putting it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the power. This unit boasts a total of 1,700 watts, which is a respectable amount for a portable cooktop. It features two cast iron hot plates, a larger 7.25-inch one and a slightly smaller 6.10-inch one. The cast iron plates are known for their ability to heat up quickly and retain heat well, which is crucial for even cooking. The product description states it's suitable for frying, keeping food warm, and boiling, and we'll be testing those claims. One of the most important features for any cooking appliance is temperature control, and OVENTE has equipped this double burner with adjustable knobs. You can select from low, medium, or high settings, allowing you to fine-tune the heat for different cooking tasks. There's also a handy indicator light that glows red when the cooktop is heating up. Importantly, it features an auto shut-off function, which is a great safety feature that will turn the unit off if it overheats or reaches its desired temperature. This provides peace of mind during use. Safety and durability are also key considerations. The OVENTE double burner features a stainless steel housing, which is not only aesthetically pleasing but also resistant to high temperatures and fire. This material is chosen for its longevity, preventing warping, rust, or bending even with regular use. For added stability, the unit comes with non-slip rubber feet, ensuring it stays firmly in place on your countertop, even when you're stirring a vigorous sauce or flipping a pancake. The space-saver aspect is a significant selling point for this appliance. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, studio apartments, college dorms, or even RVs. When not in use, it can be easily stored away in a cabinet or under a counter. Its lightweight and handy nature also means you can take it with you on camping trips or to a friend's place when extra cooking capacity is needed. Cleaning is often a concern with kitchen appliances, and the OVENTE double burner aims to make this as effortless as possible. The non-electrical parts, which essentially means the stainless steel base and the cast iron plates, can be wiped clean with a damp sponge or a kitchen wipe. The product description mentions you won't need to scrub off food drippings, which suggests a relatively smooth surface. We'll see how it performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. Finally, OVENTE offers US-based customer service and a 1-year warranty against defects in material and workmanship. This provides a layer of confidence for consumers, knowing there's support available if any issues arise. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these features and our initial impressions. On the positive side, the OVENTE double burner offers efficient power for its size, with a total of 1,700 watts that should handle most everyday cooking tasks. The cast iron plates are a good choice for heat distribution and retention. The adjustable temperature control with an auto shut-off feature is excellent for safety and versatility. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a true space saver and portable option. The stainless steel construction suggests good durability, and the easy-to-clean surface is always a welcome benefit. The added assurance of US-based customer service and a warranty is also a plus. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the 1,700 watts are decent, it's important to manage expectations. For very heavy-duty cooking or rapid boiling of large volumes of water, it might not be as fast as a full-sized stovetop. The cast iron plates, while great for heat, can sometimes be trickier to clean than a smooth ceramic or induction surface if food becomes heavily burnt on. Also, as with any portable appliance, the long-term reliability is something that can only be truly assessed over extended periods of use. In conclusion, the OVENTE electric countertop double burner, model BGS102S, appears to be a solid contender for anyone needing flexible, additional cooking space. Its combination of power, safety features, and a compact design makes it a practical choice for a variety of living situations and needs. Whether you're a student, someone in a small apartment, or just need an extra burner for entertaining, this OVENTE unit is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.